right, guys, time's come. It's time to make this video a reality. This is the TWA volatility forecaster indicator, and this is a game changer. All right, doing the mentorship a little over a year and a half, there and around. I've learned a lot. I've learned what traders need from me, and I've learned what traders, what gaps there are and how they can be helped. And also, when you have traders that are more indicator based or traders that are more support and resistance based or traders that don't use indicators at all, just trying to find what each type of trader needs. And there is something very, very, very common, and that is the understanding of value of price. I'm a very big believer that trading is really all about going to an auction and trying to get the best price and understanding, where the two parties lay. Where do the bulls want to buy? Where do the bears want to sell, right? And making a plan around that. And some traders, they're able to chart it on their own. Some can't. Some chart it on their own and then fail to stick to the plan. Some traders just can't, no matter how hard you try, they can't chart it on their own. Some traders chart it on their own and they call it support or they call it resistance, and they think of it as these type of barriers, and that when they break, they don't know what to do and where their TP should go and so on. And there's a breakdown in their plan, whatever it is. Their indicators in general, you don't need them. Okay, I've said that from day one. But the best traders in the world end up making them, and they end up becoming extremely popular. There's a ton of free ones on TradingView from very well-known traders. Very well-known traders. I mean, why is that? Why is that? Because you want to get as consistent as possible, and it's really hard to be the same trader every single day. And this, I'll make a short video where I only go over this indicator, but this video just kind of breaks down how does this indicator help you? Why is it important? You can't be the same trader every day. If you're going through a divorce and 6 months ago everything was fine and happy, do you think you're going to be the same trader as what you were? No, you're not. Is that fair to you? No, but you're human and you have emotions. Okay? That's how indicators help, and that's how indicators come into play. And that's what's changed my whole entire universe in trading, is when I started making my own tools and being able to see exactly what everybody else needed. That affected everybody else. That's why you see so many students of mine moving on to real money, or selling their businesses and able to trade full time, or joining these prop firms and getting certificates. I mean, it's all in the testimonials and reviews. The results are getting better and faster now that we have our own tools to work with and tools that I use to teach. It fills all the gaps. So, yeah, you don't need indicators. You don't need indicators, but why should we use them? Why do the best traders in the world end up making them or having them made from their teaching? Is because you can't be consistent every day. You can't be the same trader every day. You can't. The indicator will help you do that. So anyway, let's get to it. All right. The indicator is set up in 4 unique zones. Take profit for a long. Take profit for a short. Price is cheap. Price is expensive. That's it. So you can decide to not trade until price gets into these gray boxes. You can decide to trade this orange line here. All right. Seeing which way it's breaking, right? If it breaks above, then you're looking for it to come up to the expensive area and back down, or etc. But the key to this is understanding where is price cheap and where is price expensive. You can see when price finally hits the gray area, what happens? It makes a move up. And if you're bearish, then this would be your first area to start to short. Where's your second area to short? It's going to be at the gray box. And the market is considered ranging when it's inside of this gray box. Okay? When it is not inside of this gray box, when it starts to trend in a certain direction, you will see a break and a retest, and it holds here. Then you're looking to go short down to your TP area here. All right, same thing this way. You're going to look for it to hold this expensive area, showing that price is being accepted in somewhere that's expensive. You know, the bears should have no problem defending this territory, and all of a sudden you're seeing prices holding here. All right, that means price is being accepted. This is your TP zone. All right, that is how this indicator is set up. So I'll just go back, and you can see how the ranging market looks, and you can see obviously that price is never able to touch this gray cheap box. So just by looking left, you're able to see that we're heading higher, and look what happens. Hits the TP and goes down. So just keep on looking. Here's an example of price falling, comes down to our cheap zone, comes back up, cannot cross the orange line, and where does it stop at? Right near the TP zone. So this is a very, very, very easy way to define your trades and define your roles. And you know, in other videos, we can put higher time frame candle colors on this. So when the candles are all red, you're only going to be looking for short. Or when the candles are all green, you're only going to be looking for longs. Like, there's so much you can do with this indicator. It just depends on what your emotions need for support, right? If you need an indicator that helps you understand direction, or an indicator that just helps you enter, or an indicator that helps you stay in, there's so much, you know, combinations we can make with this. But just keeping this indicator as the focus of the video, this sets up a plan for you. So especially if you haven't been in my mentorship and you don't know how to necessarily plot on your own, and you're just here in the Discord for indicators, this indicator now helps you understand where is price cheap, where is price expensive. So here, price is dirt cheap, right? We should be taking our profits if you're in a short. And if you have to continue to trade and price is in this pink zone, there's only one direction to look, and that's long. And you can see how beautifully the longs play out. This is against the trend, obviously, and then this is with the trend, and then this is against the trend. Very, very easy way to plan your trades. And that's how the indicator helps you. It makes your trading easier, and it helps make your plans more consistent. And then if you're not having results, we're able to find out, what is it? Are you a little bit nervous to enter? So we need to fix that. You know, what do we need to add to your chart so you're not as nervous? Is it your risk management, or are you trying to add too much contracts? Are you trying to risk too much and you're scared to enter because you're not comfortable with the risk, right? There's so many things it can be, but this indicator takes care of the trade plan. And from this, we can carry on your journey on what is the next speed bump that we need to fix for you. All right. Hits the cheap zone. Can't pass the orange line. Comes back up. Hits the cheap zone. What are you going to be doing? You're looking long in the cheap zone. You're looking long when price gets to the cheap zone. That's what you're looking for. And you're looking to go short when price is here at the expensive zone. And you can see that when it breaks, you then look for this TP area. We can see price hits our TP zone, and down we go. we can see price comes above our orange line, and you see that price is being accepted, and then it gets into our expensive zone. And if you're shorting in here, right, you have hopefully you have some set of rules that's helping you pull the trigger to enter, but it's a good area to short. And then once you see this type of action, guess what's going to happen? Your bias should be changing, because anything above this area, the market is trending, and we are most likely going to have a TP zone hit. So again, it's just a very good way to understand market movement. It's a really good way to set up and plan your trades accordingly. It's a good way to understand market auction theory and where price is being accepted. So, if you have any questions about this, shoot me a message in the Discord. You can reach out to me on the website as well, tradingwithadam.com, and open up a support ticket. You can set up a free discovery call with me if you like, but this indicator is going to be game-changing for a lot of traders. And if you have the right support, there's no reason why you can't jump the curve and really get a leg up on your trading journey and get further ahead than what you would be by doing it yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great night. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.